Shalom, shalom. This is First Lady Sarah Abraham Israel with a Rhema word about kingdom marriage. The Lord is speaking to me about divine union, and the way that He's showing me what's going on right now is that He's having me prepare daily. Imagine a bride and groom getting ready behind the scenes on their wedding day. They're each getting ready. They can't see each other, but they are separately in their dressing rooms getting ready. That's the scene God is taking me through right now. So every day He's having me to do these daily practices, these rituals of self-care, and the attention to detail is the same way that a bride adorns herself on her wedding day. Just imagine the amount of time that you put into caring for your hair, time and detail that you put into your hair, and making sure that it looks neat and beautiful and appealing. And then imagine how before you even get dressed, how you're cleansing yourself, how you're taking extra time just to make sure you feel clean and refreshed and you're ready to present yourself to your husband. You're clean, you smell good, you feel good. Just that level of care and attention to everything, just making sure that everything is right and everything feels good going into it. And the way that He's having me even choose my outfits, the colors that I'm choosing, people are coming up to me telling me that they love my color coordination. I'll be sitting somewhere quietly by myself, listening to my music or just scrolling through one of my timelines, and someone will come up to me and tell me that they love my color coordination. And I know it's because the Lord is taking me through this process where I'm just taking extra care. I've always dressed nice, but it's on another level now. I'm paying attention to every single thing, from my shoes to the jewelry I'm wearing, to the fragrances I'm picking out, to my scented perfumes and lotions, the hair wraps that I wear, or the hat, or the different accessories that I put in my hair. Just everything, absolutely every detail is thought out and carefully picked and carefully put together to make me look and feel exactly how a beautiful bride would adorn herself on her wedding day. And I just know that the Father is speaking to His sons and telling them how to prepare for their wife and getting them ready for the day when these divine unions are coming into full manifestation. In the kingdom, in the higher realms, we're already married to our kingdom spouse. God is bringing these marriages from those higher realms into the realm that we're in right now. And He's preparing us so wonderfully and so beautifully behind the scenes for what's about to happen. We're about to take center stage with our kingdom spouse, and God is going to present us to the world as one. And I am so excited about it. And that's why I've been preparing and just doing everything that the Father is showing me. He will speak to me throughout the day. He definitely speaks to me in the morning when I wake up, but He'll even speak to me during the day. Like, for instance, I'll be walking somewhere and He'll say, that scent right there, that perfume. And I'll go and smell it. It'll be one I've never heard of before, never heard of it, never seen it. And I'll go and smell it, and it smells amazing. The perfume that I recently bought, it smells so amazing that I sprayed it into the air, and some of it actually got into my mouth, and it was like fruit. It was delicious. I said, this fragrance is delicious. And that's the one that the Father had me pick out to wear recently. And I've been wearing it, and everywhere I go, people are following me around. They are even when I try to be alone, people are following me around because of all of the things that the Father is having me do. It's taking attractiveness to a whole nother level. It's a spiritual thing. It's not just physical. It's not just the physical beauty, what they see on the inside. There's a spiritual process that the Father is taking us through, a spiritual beautification. There's a spiritual purification that's going on that is attractive to everyone around us. I'm doing it for my kingdom spouse. That's who it's for. It's for me and my kingdom spouse. That's 100% who it's for. But people around me cannot help but to follow me and find me and come near me to try to see what I got going on. So this has been an encouraging word about kingdom marriage because it's coming together. You might not see anything, you might not hear anything, but the Father is putting all the pieces together behind the scenes and He is bringing us together. So be encouraged. And until next time, Shalom.